In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent navbar solid on scroll in Webflow. This is a handy technique if you want to add a dynamic element to your website, providing a visually engaging effect that improves navigation and user experience. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Webflow's website. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and click on Login at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and gain access to your dashboard, a user-friendly interface where you can manage all your projects. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the project you'd like to modify and click on it. This will take you into the designer view of your selected project, where the magic happens. With your project open, identify the navigation bar or navbar in your design. This is where we'll be making our changes today. Click on the navbar element to select it. After selecting your navbar, look over to the right where the style panel is located. Here, you can customize the appearance of your navbar. In the style panel, find and click on the background option. This is where you can modify the navbar's transparency and color settings. For now, ensure it's set to your preferred transparent state. We'll soon be changing it into a solid color when the user scrolls. Transitioning next, click on the Interactions tab, typically found towards the top right of your screen. Interactions in Webflow allow you to add complex animations and interesting effects to your website elements. This is where we'll set up the scroll-triggered effect. Within the Interactions panel, locate and click on the Page Trigger option. This is the control we'll use to trigger actions when a user scrolls the page. Following this, select Page Scrolled. With this action, you are telling Webflow to look for any scroll action on the page, and you can then define what happens when the scroll is detected. Now, it's time to set the parameters for the scroll interaction. Define when the navbar should transition from transparent to solid. Usually, this effect is set to happen after scrolling a certain percentage down the page. Set your desired scroll percentage and choose the solid color you want your navbar to transition into. And there you have it. Preview your changes to ensure everything is working smoothly. You'll notice that as you scroll down the page, your once transparent navbar now turns solid, achieving that clean, modern effect. This setup offers your users a visual cue of where they are on the page, enhancing their browsing experience. Make sure to save your project changes, and you're all set to impress your visitors with this sleek feature. Thanks for tuning in.